Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on.
Hello, my lovely friends. Today I have a 2-day whole house, or more like whole apartment, clean with me. I'm super excited to share this video with you guys. I tackle my living room, my kitchen, and my bedroom. And even though I just have a 2-bedroom apartment, it feels like it took me forever to clean this. So I feel for you guys that have a whole house with kids, because I can't imagine the amount of time and effort it takes to clean that up. And speaking of houses and children, I'm very curious how many of my subscribers and viewers are people and moms and dads that have children and a home or an apartment, or are you single, you have a house or an apartment. I'm just kind of curious who's watching my videos, what your guys' life kind of looks like, and if you would love to share that with me down below in the comments, I would love to chat with you.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling.
If you guys are new to this channel, I want to quickly introduce myself. My name is Alyssa and I'm 22 years old. I live in this apartment with my brother, and this is our first apartment. We live here with our 2 cats, and I also have a dog that sadly can't live with me here. And this is a picture of him. Isn't he like the cutest thing? Somebody hand drew that. Isn't that amazing? Cleaning and organizing especially have always been a passion of mine, so I wanted to share that with you guys. I upload videos 1 to 2 times a week, so if you guys enjoy this content, please subscribe for more, and I always love chatting with you guys in the comments. I wanted to quickly talk to you guys about this new silicone sponge that I just got. I got a 2-pack from Amazon. They're these green ones, and they're like rubbery and obviously silicone. I heard about these from Elaines' channel, and I'll link it down below. She shows how she uses these, and she loves them, and then she just washes them in her dishwasher when she runs it. And I was super inspired because I haven't really found any good sponges. So I ordered them from Amazon. This is my first time using one of them, and I absolutely love it. I also quickly want to talk about the dish soap I was using. This dish soap is from Brandless. If you haven't heard of Brandless, the brand is named Brandless, and they used to sell very cheap items, which I thought were great quality. And I just went to check on the website to kind of get more information to share with you guys, and it looks like they went out of business, which is kind of sad because I really liked their stuff. So if you guys have ever tried Brandless before, let me know down below in the comments, and let me know if you guys knew that they closed, because I had no idea until like 2 minutes ago. And in case anyone is wondering, I will be taking down these Valentine stickers. I recorded this before Valentine's Day, so that's why they're still up, but they will be coming down soon. So I just got this new Wyman stainless steel cleaner at Meijer because it was on clearance for 50% off. And I was excited to try it because everybody raves about it. And I don't know, like, I didn't hate it, but I wasn't too impressed. And I'm getting kind of irritated because I've tried so many stainless steel products and I haven't found any that I'm like in love with. So if you guys have any recommendations, please share them with me down below in the comments. I would really appreciate it. Guys, please tell me why I didn't know that my oven had this drawer underneath it. I mean, it's like pretty obvious, but I had no idea. And now I'm excited because I have some extra storage to put like cooking stuff. But I don't know, I was like completely oblivious to the fact that I had this. So I have these huge tub of dishwasher tabs. I got them for like 75% off at Walgreens forever ago. So I have 2 of them, but they're just sitting in my laundry room, irritating my soul. So I decided to fit them in, or one box in this OXO container and put it under my sink because I thought it would look better and I could get rid of this big box. And of course they all didn't fit in there, so I had to put some more in the little container, but hopefully it doesn't take me that long to get rid of those. So when I get through all those, which will take me forever, I'll put my other box in there. But I'm all about the clearance hunting, so when the deal is good, I will stock up. And finally, we can finish up in the kitchen with taking out the trash. And that's all I got done on day 1. And then I start the laundry and my bedroom and the living room on day 2. So that's why I have a completely new outfit on. Nothing fancy. It's never fancy with me. But yes, this was all day 1. And then I was exhausted and I went to bed and started it all on like day 2. So like I said, I started my laundry and ignore that huge pile of clothes. That was my brother's clothes and he always leaves his stuff in the dryer and it drives me insane. So I just piled it up there and he can deal with it. I also wanted to mention that I always show you guys that I put my clothes in, but I never show you guys that I fold it. And the reason that is because I usually just take a load out and fold it right away. I don't like keep it piled up in the laundry basket, so I felt like that would be really boring. So that's why you guys never see me fold my laundry. Say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. If you guys know anything about me, it's that I love blankets. And my boyfriend was kind enough to get me this new one for Valentine's Day, which even though I love blankets, I don't have any room for any. So I gotta figure out a better system and where I'm gonna put them. But for now, I'm just happy to have the new blanket.
stay with me till the stars fade away. And your scars don't say my name. Stay with me till the stars fade away. And your scars don't hurt. Your scars don't hurt.
This is honestly truly embarrassing, but I don't know if you guys can see, but the little thing that holds all the dirt and dust in is open. So I'm literally vacuuming, but nothing's staying in the vacuum. So I had to like re-vacuum everything. And I was wondering while I was vacuuming, like, why isn't this picking up anything? And it's literally because it just kept falling out. And I felt so dumb after, but I finally realized it. So, you know, don't laugh at me, guys. And a fun fact, if you guys didn't know already, you guys can see I live in Michigan. If you can't tell by the blanket, I'm a Michigan fan. Go Blue. And where I live right now, it's about 30 degrees and I can't wait for spring. But that's why I'm always wearing like a sweatshirt or something, because it's literally freezing here. So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one stops. So this is the mop I use. It's called the Mopnado microfiber mop, and it has two sides, one to fill the water with to actually get the mop wet, and the other to kind of rinse it out, wring it out, and drain it. And the cloths are washable, so it's so nice. You don't have to keep buying new things. Like for a Swiffer, you just wash it and reuse it. It comes with a wet one and a dry one. So you just fill up one side with hot water, and then you put your cleaner in. I was just using Pine Sol.
this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a
You take it out after you fill up the one side, and you can start using it. How you use it, like I said, is you put the mop in one side and get it all wet, and then you wring it out like 2 times in the other side to kind of make sure it's not all super soaked and wet, and you literally just mop like that. And it's so convenient. It fits in all like the little corners and crevices, so it's so nice. And I will show you guys how dirty just this little portion of my floor is. It's crazy.
This is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one stops.
So I'm just finishing up my floors, and let me just say, I know it looks like a mess over here, but this is the bin is the donate pile of things I'm donating, and then the cat food is for my mom. She just forgot to take it. So I promise I'm not just like hoarding stuff, but this place actually is going out of my house.
This town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can
And the reason I love this mop the most is it's so easy to just drain the water out. You literally unplug these little holes on both sides. The water just drains out, and then I like to rinse it out really quick just in case there's any like dirt stuck to it. And then you just plug the holes back up and store it away. So it's so easy and convenient. I honestly can't recommend it enough.
be myself. I'm gonna be someone.
And that's going to be the end of the video, guys. If you guys made it all the way through, props to you, because that was a long one. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please like as well as subscribe for more videos from me, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my